Hello, and welcome to a lesson about using guide words in the dictionary. Why not just look the word up online, you might wonder? Well, sometimes you might not have access to technology. Using guide words in a dictionary helps you complete your search quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. For today's activity, we will be using a student dictionary and some slips of paper, each with a word printed on it for you to find. There's also a blank space for you to write your name and 2 blank spaces at the top where you will write the guide words from the top of the page where you found your word. I'm going to draw a slip, look at my word, and begin my search. My word is alibi. It's going to be near the front of the dictionary. So I turn to the A section. Notice that the second letter of the word is L. So I know the word is not going to be at the beginning of the A section. Looking at the 2 guide words at the top of each page, I keep turning pages until I get to words that begin with AL. The third letter is I, so I know that it's not going to be on this page because the last guide word is alfalfa and F comes before I. On this page, I notice that the first guide word begins with ALG and the second guide word begins with ALL. So I know that my word is somewhere on this page. I begin looking down and I discover that my word is the third one down. I check my guide words again, and I write my guide word from the left, algae, in the left space on my card. And I write the guide word on the right side, all around, in the right space. I make sure that I put my name on the slip of paper before I turn it in. And then I'm done. I'm going to close the dictionary and get ready to try another one. I'm not going to worry about the definition today. I'm just practicing the skill of using guide words to help me in my search. That's it. For a free printable template with all the word slips to go along with this activity, visit my website. Thanks for watching.